Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Use the small included mechanical key to remove the key blade first. Locate the tiny release slot at the base of the Honda Accord key fob and press while sliding out the metal key. Keep parts on a clean, flat surface. With the key removed, gently insert a small flathead screwdriver into the seam and twist lightly to separate the two halves. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic tabs and keep track of the white rubber button pad and circuit board when the shell opens. Note the battery orientation and record, which side faces up before removal. Orientation determines whether the fob will work. Gently lift the old CR2032 3V battery out of its metal clip using the edge of the screwdriver or your fingernail, avoiding contact with the circuit traces. Insert the new CR2032 3V cell with the same side-up position you recorded, pressing it flat into the retainer until you hear or feel. Reassemble the shell, ensuring the white rubber pad and circuit board align with button openings. Press the two halves together until all clips snap into place. Reinsert the mechanical key and perform a functional test by pressing lock, unlock, and trunk buttons from 1 to 3 meters away to confirm signal strength. If the fob fails, open it again to confirm battery seating, clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol, and repeat testing. No programming is usually required for Honda Accord key fobs after battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.